Hey everyone, welcome back to lizfenwickdiy. In today's video, we're doing 3 Dollar Tree Christmas DIYs. About a month ago, I did a Dollar Tree haul and I had grabbed these amazing jars from Dollar Tree and they had these really cute little chalkboard signs on it. Some amazing person in our Facebook group gave me the idea to use these jars on our hot cocoa bar. So that is what I'm going to be doing. And if you're not a member of our Facebook group, you can go join. The group name is Liz Fenwick DIY Group. So what I did for these jars was I took the lids off and I painted them with one coat of white paint. Next, I picked up a paint pen from Dollar Tree. They have it in their new little craft section at all the stores. So I'm just going to write with my paint pen what the contents will be in each one of the jars. To make the jar lids a little bit more festive, I just rummaged through my tissue paper and found this little Merry Christmas tissue paper that I had. So I'm going to put it on top of my jars so that the Merry Christmas is in the center. And then I'm just going to cut a little square out around the edge so I have enough to tuck on the sides. Next, I'm going to use Mod Podge, and I like to use the matte. I think it looks better with home decor, so I always try to get the matte Mod Podge. I'm gonna put it on the top of my jar as well as the sides. And then I'll just take the paper and press it into the top and then around the sides. Then I'll just cut off the excess paper. And then I'll go back around the edge with some more Mod Podge and tuck the edge over. Then I'll just do one coat of Mod Podge over the whole entire jar and let that dry. Next, I'll just add those labels onto my jar. And then I'm gonna fill my jars with the contents. And screw on the lids. And how cute are these going to look on my hot cocoa bar? I want to tell you guys about today's sponsor, Glamsockets. Glamsockets has all new styles and is ready for Christmas and your stocking stuffers. They have a new Carrara marble, a Santorini blue mosaic, and a Moroccan quatrefoil. Glamsockets are unique. They have 3 outlets as well as 2 USB ports, and they come in these amazing designs so they look great sitting out throughout your home. I know for me, I like to use them in the kitchen while I'm cooking. I can just set my phone in the top and it sits there nicely so I can either watch YouTube or look at recipes or anything I need to do. I also love it in my bathroom whenever I'm getting ready in the morning. I can put it on there, I play my podcast, and if I need to charge my phone, I can do that as well. Glamsockets would be great for so many different people and they would make awesome stocking stuffers. So I'm going to leave a link in the description box, and Glamsockets is providing Liz Fenwick DIY viewers with a 15% off code. So just go down to the description box for all the details. I know some of you guys have seen this adorable truck that they have out at Dollar Tree. And if you're wondering what you should do with it, I'm gonna give you my take on what to do with this cute little truck cutout. So I really wanted to spend a little bit of time painting this truck up cute. So I have 4 paints that I'm going to be using for this project. I have a red, a green, a white, and a black acrylic paint. So the first thing I did was add a little bit of black paint to my red and green, just to darken them up a little bit so that they weren't such vibrant colors. And then I'm gonna come in and I'm gonna paint my tree green, and I'm also gonna paint my truck that deep red. Then I'm going to paint my wheels white. So I'm going to be putting this truck on this little sign that I had. This sign was actually from the summer, but I'm sure they have similar either Halloween or Christmas signs that are in this same formation. So you could definitely find something from Dollar Tree, but this is just one I had, so I wanted to use it up. And I'm gonna be using some buffalo check paper from Hobby Lobby, and I'm just going to trace around the back of it, cut it out, and hot glue it to my sign. Now that my truck has had a chance to dry, I want to come back in and I'm going to use the red that's straight out of the bottle, and I want to give it a little bit more vibrancy. And I think that that's going to add a little bit of dimension because I'm not going to completely cover it. I'm just going to give it nice highlights so you can see both red tones. Then I'm gonna use some fine line pins, and I'm gonna come back in and give my wheels a nice little design on them. I'm gonna take that white and I'm gonna add it to the tops of my tree to act like snow. And then I'm also gonna use that white to distress the truck. And I'll also use white to distress around the edges of my buffalo check sign. Next, I'm gonna use this Season's Greeting sign from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna put it on the edge of my sign, and I'm gonna use the red paint to stencil in the Season's Greeting. I'm also gonna use the green paint at the top for the leaves. And for $1, what a cute stencil this is. Now I'm going to hot glue my truck to the other side of my little sign. And here's a look at how my adorable truck sign turned out. If you guys love these Dollar Tree DIYs, make sure to give me a thumbs up so I know to do more like it in the future. For this next project, I wanted to show you how to take advantage of the beautiful florals that they have at Dollar Tree and how to really make them look nice and use them in your decor. So I grabbed these really cute little cotton stems. I think I grabbed 5 or 6 of them. I also had a glass from Dollar Tree. You could use any, but this is just the one I'm using. And I also picked up some red and silver ornaments. So I'm gonna start off by putting 8 of the red ornaments in the bottom, followed by 8 of the silver ornaments. Then I'm gonna take my stems and put them in the middle, and trying to get the stems as close to the middle as possible so they're not sticking out to the edge. Then I'm gonna come in with another layer of red ornaments and another layer of silver ornaments. And I think this is a great way to have a quick and put together Christmas arrangement. All right, you guys, you'll have to let me know in the comments which one of these 3 projects was your favorite. I'm gonna probably say, I don't know, the truck sign I really like, so that one was probably my favorite. And if you're interested in picking up a Glamsocket, I will leave the link below in the description box. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you're subscribed. And if you missed our last DIY, I'm gonna link it here for you. And I'll talk to you guys in our next video. Bye.